Yeah, hello guys. Today we shall be looking at how to earn from NFT. Okay. Now, this particular method of earning from NFT, you don't need to go through the process of OpenSea, as in registering on OpenSea or going to Binance NFT platform to begin to earn. Okay. You can actually earn directly from this website directly, which is called ACN NFT. Okay. Um, I'm going to be showing you how to recharge and also how you can buy the NFT and how to profit from it. You actually earn up to 2% every day from this platform as soon as you are holding any of their NFT. Okay. Let me quickly show you something here. If you come down here where it says market, okay, if you go to this market here, you can see these are some of their NFT that were sold out. Okay. This particular one is the initial price when it was on sale was 9.99 USDT. But at the closing of the price, it was 60.59 USDT. Okay. If you go down, you see a whole lot of NFT that they said they have sold in the past, right? Now, I'm just telling you, I'm just making my own proper review about this project, okay? And remember, I'm not your financial advisor, so whichever decision you're going to be taking on this particular project is basically going to be your own decision, okay? So basically, the website pay 2% daily, like I rightly said, okay? If you come down here, there are a whole lot of NFT that is about to be minted, okay? All those ones are sold out, but if you scroll down to this here now, you can see this particular one, this police cards. Okay, it's also sold out. Okay, this particular one, trader cards. Now, this trader cards will be launched on the 10th of February 2023 at the price of 9.99 USDT. Okay, so if you buy this particular one on the 10th, it will be launching at this 9.99 USDT. As soon as the price begins to appreciate, then you are going to make more money from the price difference. Let me quickly show you how that actually looks like. If you come up here to this trading market here, okay, look at this trading market here, right? You can see this particular one. It started with 9.99 USDT and now is 17.09 USDT, right? Okay, if you go down also, you see this particular one. This one actually started with 88.99 USDT and presently is 170.35 USDT. So you can see the price difference. Okay, this one has actually appreciated like 100%, almost going to almost 200%. Okay, but it has appreciated, let's say 100%. Okay, so many other ones now. So if you look at those ones, you can see this one started with 9.99 USDT and now is on 16.65 USDT, right? So if you ask me, should you go ahead and buy all those ones that are already high in price, I will advise you, I would just say, if you want to, because if you check out the remaining pieces here, it's actually 22 pieces. Okay, they published 999 pieces and it's remaining 22 pieces of this NFT. So I wouldn't advise you to buy this particular one now. But remember, that is my own decision. If you like, you can go ahead and buy it. But if I were you, I'll buy the one that is about to launch. Okay, this one that is about to launch, right? You can see this one that is about to launch, this trader cards that is about to launch on the 10th, so that as soon as you buy this one and the price starts appreciating, you'll be able to take enough profit on this particular one. You can see this other one also, Alien Grosu. Okay, it will be launching on the 15th. You can see this other one. This one also will be launching on the 15th. Okay, and the thing is this: if you check this particular police card now, this trader cards, it has about 588 pieces. Okay, which means that you can buy as much as you want to buy. Okay, you are not restricted to just one pieces. You can buy as many pieces as you want to buy from this particular NFT. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can actually recharge your accounts and also buy any of this NFT. Just click on this mine here. Okay, when you click on this mine, it's going to bring you to this interface. Sorry, I got logged out. Let me log in again. Okay, so I just logged in now. It's going to bring you here. Okay, now for you to recharge, you're going to click on this button here that says recharge. Okay, so you're going to click here and you're going to put the amount. Let's assume you want to put in $100 into this project. You're going to put in $100 here. The currency is actually TRC20, right? Then you're going to click on this payments and it's going to generate payment address for you. Okay, you can see this payment address. You're going to copy it. You go to either your Binance, your KuCoin, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any of the wallets that you use, be it DEX or SEX, and you're going to send this 100 USDT to this account. Now, when you send 100 USDT to this account, it's going to reflect here. Okay, it's going to reflect here, which I'll be doing. I'm going to be sending 100 USDT here to buy some of those NFT. Okay, so it's going to reflect here. And also, if you want to make withdrawal after you must have made some profit from this project, the minimum withdrawal for this project is actually 5 USDT. Provided you have 5 USDT, you can make withdrawal. But first and foremost, for you to be able to make successful withdrawal, you need to bind your account, okay? uh, your wallet address. So you're going to copy your wallet address, your TRC20 wallet address from any of the wallet you use. Then you're going to come to this address here. You click on it. Then you're going to put in, you're going to choose TRC20 here. Let's choose TRC20. Okay, you can see I've binded my own wallet address already. So if you have not done it before, you just click here, you put your wallet address and you click on this to bind, and it's going to help you to bind your own wallet address. Okay. Then one other thing you need to understand is this: if you need to make withdrawal from this website, it's important you actually link your Google authenticator to this website. Okay, so you click on this Google key, right? I've done mine already, so I'm just going to show you the process. You click on this Google key, then you go to your Google authenticator. Here is my Google Authenticator. It might not show as you are watching it because of security reasons. You know, Google Authenticator has some security features that will not allow somebody watching it to see your keys. Okay, so you're going to copy your keys from here. Okay, then you're going to bind your Google Authenticator with your ACN account. Okay, with that you'll be able to make withdrawal whenever you want to make withdrawal. And the good thing is that their withdrawal is almost like instant. Within 3 to 4 minutes you're going to get the money whenever you withdraw directly into your account. Okay, so whenever you buy the NFT, any NFT that you buy, you're going to find it under your account here where it says my collections. Okay, so whichever one you buy, when you click on it, you're going to see the amount here. Okay, the number of NFT that you hold. Okay, so also if you invite people into this project, you're going to be earning 5% of your referral commission. Okay, and also they have a Telegram channel, so I'm going to be dropping the link to that Telegram channel right below the description of this video. Okay, you're going to find the link over there where you can get information about what's happening in the project. Okay, and if you want to contact the customer care of the project, you can also click here. You can see this contact customer service here, and automatically it takes you directly, you can see, to Telegram. Okay, and you'll be able to chat with them and ask them any question you want to ask them. Okay, so quickly let me show you how to buy after you must have credited, sent money into your ACN accounts. Let me quickly show you how you can then be able to buy from this project. You just come down here, click on this market here. Okay, when you click on this market, uh, you click on this trending market. So let's assume you want to buy this particular one here. Okay, all you need to do is just to click on this buy. Okay, when you click on this buy, it's going to bring you here. Okay, then you're going to it's TRC20 you're actually using to buy. Then you're going to choose the amount that you want to buy. Okay, let's say you want to buy 10. Okay, so in this case, if you want to buy 10 of this NFT, is going to cost you 170 USDT. Okay, so you make sure you have up to the amount of money USDT in your account. Okay, so if you say you want to buy 5, let's say you want to buy 5, it's going to cost you 85 USDT. Okay, so you make sure you have 85 USDT in your account. Then you come down here and you click on buy. Okay, and you'll be charged just creator fee, which is transaction fee of 5%. Okay, and automatically you're going to buy the NFT. And when you come down here to this my collection, you're going to find all the NFT that you're going to buy right here. Okay. I want to believe you got value from this video. Okay. And also remember, once again, like I rightly said, I'm not your financial advisor. I want to believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, do remember to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my video. Okay. I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular ACN NFT right below the video. Okay. Check out that link and you'll be able to get to this project. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself and bye bye.